Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to maintain aspect ratio of image in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to maintain the aspect ratio of image. At first, insert a image. Go to the insert menu, select the picture option, choose this device. Now I am select the image and click insert. Then zoom out the document. We can see here the image. Now we want to maintain the aspect ratio of image. At first, go to the picture format menu and select the size and position properties drop down menu. We can see here the lock aspect ratio, check mark on this. Now you want to maintain this aspect ratio, click check mark off and resize this. Now I am resize the height and width. Now I am make the image 2 by 2. Then press enter. Now we can see we maintain aspect ratio of image easily. You can enable this aspect ratio, otherwise disable this. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.